Hello, everybody. Today, my team and I would like to talk to you about the 14 grand challenges developed by the National Academy of Engineers, and more specifically, the challenge of making solar energy more efficient and more economical. Outlined in 2008 by the world's leading technological thinkers, each of these challenges that are presented have their own possible solutions and obstacles. However, many of these obstacles are produced through further advancement in the related field. For example, up until recently, solar panels were quite expensive and not very efficient. Now we are tasked with maximizing efficiency while keeping costs low, as well as finding ways to store this sunlight energy.
Well, what problems does the solar energy face? Well, we need to be clear that our sun outpower anything that the human technology ever produced. Well, we only manage to use 1% of the world's total energy right now. But if we manage to use all the energy that the sun provides, it will give us 10,000 times the commercial energy humans use. So the main question will be how can we do it? We need to find a way to absorb all the energy that we can. Try to find other new materials for solar cells that it may help reduce fabrication cost and find efficient ways to store that amount of energy. The reason a lot of engineers around the world face this specific problem is because the sun offers the most abundant, reliable, and pollution-free power in the whole world. Just in the United States, fossil fuels account 85% of the consumed energy. However, we know that we can run very soon out of fossil fuel, and we are looking toward better renewable energy options. And the best option is the solar energy because it is limitless and it doesn't harm the environment.
Many pros and cons when it comes to talking about solar energy. Some of the main pros and cons of solar energy are listed. One of the most important pros being the abundance of sunlight and potential solar energy. There's an infinite amount of potential solar energy in the form of sunlight across the world. Although sunlight is an abundant resource, the main con of solar energy is that in some regions the sunlight received is limited. With that being said, the pros of solar energy definitely outweigh the cons. Possible solutions. There are many possible solutions for making solar energy more efficient. One way is using multiple light-absorbing materials to utilize more of the solar spectrum. Examples of these materials being silicon and metal halide perovskite. Another possible solution is to make storage more efficient. Potential ways we can do that are mimicking the ways plants use photosynthesis and quinone-based flow batteries. Older flow batteries used to cost 2 cents per kilowatt hour. The new quinone-based flow batteries would quarter that at 1/4 a cent per kilowatt hour. Here are the sources we used.